London, England. London, England is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city that is rich in history, culture, and entertainment. Located in the southeastern part of the United Kingdom, London is home to a population of over 8 million people and is the capital city of both England and the United Kingdom. One of the most iconic landmarks in London is Buckingham Palace, which is the official residence of the British monarchy. Visitors can watch the changing of the guard ceremony that takes place in front of the palace or take a tour of the palace's staterooms during the summer months. Another must-see attraction in London is the Tower of London, which is a historic castle that has served as a royal palace, a prison, and a treasury. Visitors can explore the castle's many chambers and see the crown jewels, as well as learn about the castle's rich history. London is also home to several world-class museums, such as the British Museum, the Natural History Museum, and the Tate Modern. These museums house an incredible collection of art, artifacts, and scientific specimens, and offer something for everyone to enjoy. In addition to its many cultural attractions, London is also known for its shopping, dining, and nightlife. The city is home to a wide variety of shopping districts, from the high-end boutiques of Mayfair to the bustling markets of Camden. London is also home to a diverse range of restaurants and bars, offering everything from traditional British pub food to Michelin-starred fine dining.